Question, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a question for Mr. Esperanto, Doctor Esperanto.
Doktoro.
Yeah.
Doktoro
Esperanto.
Esperanto and Aceh.
I know you say that social media very important for you.
Ya Masya Allah.
And I want to know what you want to suggest for me, especially by
Social
effect
media.
positive by social media to improve my skill by English. What you can suggest for us by social media and what you do every day, maybe sharing for our to improve, especially to improve this skill.
Alright. This is even though I don't assume my mind, even though when I see somewhere like every coffee shop, everywhere in have Wi-Fi. I just suggest you just use for social media YouTube. First, I really love YouTube because besides we can learning English or learning many languages like English, Russia, German, French, Spanish, many things. You know, like every single time, every people at a time. That's essentially did they create people or not. I just focus again and again. I repeat again and again. How do we to learn like the speaker around the world? God damn world nowadays. Just I think learning English like native speaker doesn't totally important. No important. Because when you are just speak English, that is the most important. Understanding each other, that's the most important. But remember my word. But you met with the speaker from United States when you may use idiom word, when you use right now accent, you make very respect you very 100%ly. You gonna be very make easy going and then very friendly and then you can share anything because example you can use their language and then you can use their accent. You're gonna be comfortable. You're gonna be very easygoing with your friend, very comfortable because you will respectfully with them. Because why you learn my accent? Why do you learn like idiom like I'm on a plan to marry today because I'm very glad. I'm on a plan to learn English today because you are very awesome. Now you know about why? I feel like that. Just use YouTube, and then you can Brian Adam. You can looking for in English video